Yes, and get easy both of them. So, isn't that right? And Orchid too, but she doesn't like it. She doesn't like being shaved. My hair is purple. I am wearing a Batman shirt, and I was really like a woman. Yep. Oh my gosh, and I had this mouse when I had this when I had my very in like 2000. Anyways, yeah, my hair is still cool. Um, well, I had to do a whole bunch of things in the video in my other channel. That was odd. Like, I had to bob the diving strip in my bathtub, and I had to. Oh, and earlier today there was a bird in the kitchen, and anyways, I also had to. Last night I had to do this bug thing for somebody. Because last year there was a bug infestation at his school in Moher, and like, all the girls were freaking out. They wanted to know if most girls actually do freak out. Like if all girls are the same or something like that. Okay, anyway. Um, I'm sorry, I'm just like I love CC so much. And I love Zoe so much. But I can't do Zoe. Please keep all hands and body parts up inside the vehicle at all times. Keep the seatbelt on. Please enjoy the ride. And I'm drinking a 2 liter bottle. Mm. Yeah, I promise I'm not lying. And it was sketchy and I also had to I'm sorry. I almost got you to something like I love this one. Poor kid is right here, and she's sleeping. Please tell me I can put this. Even Orchid is confused. What are you doing, Cece? I really want this to be thumbnail. Are you done licking the air yet? She is in a really weird position. You look like a human. Yes, you do. You have a lot of dogs on me now. You too. Her legs like go up and she bends over. Why do you keep looking Orchid? You're so silly. Anyway. I'm kind of hungry. Anyway. That whole dog story over. And the, the whole licking thing. Well, this isn't much of a summer. And but I am going to the beach on Friday. Really, Susie? What are you doing? Alright, yeah, going to the beach on Friday, and I'm excited. Will it be the first time at the beach? No, Susie. Okay, sorry. No Orchid is listening to me. Alright. Alright.